How y'all doing today? My name is Josh. I'm here with Killarney Metals and Mark from MHM Construction and Handyman Services, and today we're going to be installing an under-sink rubber mat.
Step 1. Measure your cabinet opening. Measuring will help you plan and determine if any adjustments need to be made in the size of your mat. Step 2. Trim your rubber mat to the appropriate size. Trimming can be done with scissors or a box cutter. Note that when cutting, there should always be a grooved wall on each side to ensure water does not flow over the side. Step 3. Install your under-sink rubber mat. Place the mat with the rubber wall touching the back side of your cabinet. Check to make sure no additional adjustments need to be made before moving on. Step 4. Create a watertight seal around your piping. Use caulk to seal any gaps where water could seep into exposed under-sink cabinetry. Congratulations! You successfully installed your under-sink rubber mat. You can now sleep with a peace of mind that your under-sink is safe from water damage. The only thing left is to put everything back. And maybe do a little reorganizing.
Big shout out to Mark, thank you so much. Really appreciate it. If you want to learn more about how to get a hold of Mark and his handyman services, go ahead and check the description below. He services the entire Charlotte metropolitan area. Just let him know that Josh from Killarney Metals sent you. For more product information and made in the US innovation, go ahead and visit us at killarneymetals.com. We'll see you next time.